Hello and welcome to this channel. My name is Ehije Elite, CEO Elite Digitals. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Like this video and share this video. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a website, a WordPress website, without purchasing hosting and domain name. Yes, you heard me right. How to create a WordPress website without purchasing hosting and domain name. You get it all for free without spending a dime. So let's get started. You head on to your browser, you enter pantheon.io. So let's load that. You click on get started or start for free, anyone. So get started. All you have to do is to fill your details on the website. So let's fill in our details. Company name, I'll just put my name here. Work email, put my own email. Okay. Country, you select your country. If you reside in Nigeria, if you are from Nigeria, you choose Nigeria. If you are from US, you choose US. If you are from UK, you choose your respective country. Then enter a strong password. It said minimum 8 characters. Special characters could be your underscore, @ semicolon, anyone. Then it should contain number, uppercase and lowercase. So just tick these two boxes. Yes, sign up. Okay, you will see a message. Thank you for registering, please log in. Sometimes you might encounter an error. Maybe when you click on some sign up button, the thing will load and show you some stuff, or reload and go back to the registration page. You don't have to panic, just enter your details again and sign up again, then to work. So let's log in with our email, the details we just created. Let's log in with the details. So just log in with my details. Okay, so if it's your first time opening an account, you'll see these three things: set up, start a new project, try with an existing site, set up your team. So click on start a new project. So you enter your project name. Let's say so my project name is, I want to use brand up as my name. Sometimes you might enter a project name and to tell you that the name has already been taken, so you just have to keep on trying different names. Okay, we are heading somewhere. So if you look at this very place, you can see different content management system. See WordPress, Drupal and Drupal 7. So we are creating with WordPress. So what you have to do is click on deploy. Okay, to start deploying WordPress, Just give it time. Okay, I will just have to pause this video first so that it will not be too long. So the deploying has been completed. The next thing you will see, complete, then visit your Patreon site dashboard. So you click on the visit. All right, our site is up. So this dashboard serves as a cPanel to you. You know, in normal case where you purchase domain and hosting, you have your cPanel where you can install your WordPress and other files. So that's the work this thing also helps you to do, the Pantheon platform. So what you have to do, if you look at this place, your left top, you see visit development site, then site admin. So what you have to do is to click on site admin. So here now you can now install WordPress. So let's go with the flow. You enter the title of your website, choose a username. Let me use admin. So let me use password that most everybody can remember. So just choose your password, then enter your email, enter your personal email, your company email, anyone, then you install. So WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. So what you have to do now is to log in to view your website. So admin, the password we use. Okay, you are up. So you have successfully installed WordPress website. Without hosting, without domain name, you can get this for your project. Maybe you are working on a project or something. You can use this to also practice and become a professional WordPress developer. So from here now, this is your WordPress dashboard, your post, your media, your pages and everything. So you can view your site page, see how it looks. Awesome. So your website is ready. If you want to send your website to someone, you just copy this link, dev-brandup.pantheon site. Note this brandup will contain the name of your project. So that's how you can start working on your site. Your website is up. Let me just install another theme. Just install Astra theme, see if it takes effect in our front end. You see, so that's it. That's how to create a website without purchasing hosting and domain, without spending a dime. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video. Thank you very much. See you next time.